I've been that vocal person on social media who says that if you happen to be living 2 to 3 hours away from your office and you have some money to spare, here's an important caveat. If you have some money to spare, like 5,000 or 10,000 pesos to rent an apartment in the city, and you're aspiring to succeed in your career, please do so. And this might be an unpopular opinion, but hear me out. 3 reasons why. Number 1, I think that the ability to sleep at night, knowing that you don't need to wake up too early to rush and chase the MRT or to avoid a 500 peso surge on Grab, is priceless. And we all know that peace of mind leads to the absence of stress. What I've learned during COVID-19 is that stress isn't just an ultimate end of itself. It's going to lead to other things such as your physical health. Stress leads to all the migraines in the world. Stress leads to your tummy not being in its best shape. Stress leads you to overeating and leading to excessive weight gain. So there's going to be a domino effect that the moment you spend more time for yourself, for your sleep, and for your health, you'll be able to do well in life. Number 2, I also think that your work-life balance and your quality of life is immensely going to improve. Think about how your mornings can be slower. You can eat your breakfast slowly. You can probably even cook it first or go to the gym because it's just a few steps away from your home. And when you finish your work in the evening, you'll have more time also for yourself. You get to meet up with your friends. You'll be able to attend more parties, which eventually is going to expand your network, which eventually can improve your career, because we all know that the more people and the quality of the people that you know, it can lead you to be connected to someone or something that might just make or break your success. Third, I think it's also significantly going to improve your performance at work. You are able to sleep better at night. You'll be able to arrive in the office refreshed, and you will not be in a grumpy mood because you've been stuck for 3 hours in traffic. That mood, that emotion, that state of being is going to affect how you do your PowerPoint slides, is going to affect how you preside your meetings, is going to affect how you're going to interact with people at work, leading to your likability at the end of the day. So again, it's going to trickle down to so many things. That domino effect is what you're spending on. When you try to live closer in the city, you're not spending money for space. You're spending money for your success. So here's your sign. If you're able to do it, and I'm saying this from a place of privilege, of course, please do so.